Some digestive organs to look at. What is it?
Stomach.
It's the stomach. It's the stomach. Okay. Here is where the esophagus would come in right there. This would be the cardiac region. There's the fundus. There's the body. And down here, this is where the small intestine would start right there. And that little opening there would be the pylorus. And the muscular ring around there is the pyloric sphincter. This is actually probably part of the duodenum right there. And if we look inside, it's slippery. You can't see very well, so let's look at the other one. Here's our other stomach. That's my stomach. That's a big one. If we look inside of it, you can start to see the rugae, the folds on the inside of the stomach wall. They're not quite as pronounced in death as in life because, of course, we lose muscle tone when we're dead. But you can also see here, this opening here with the pylorus, and you can feel that muscular ring here, that pyloric sphincter. So as this sphincter relaxes and opens up, that acid chyme, that creamy food mixture, goes from the stomach into the duodenum. And then you have the pancreas dumping in its products that are basic, and the liver dumping in bile, and it goes from acid chyme to basic chyme in the small intestine. And here we have, this is the end of the small intestine. This is the ileum right here. And the ileum in the small intestine, the inside is folded like in the stomach, but the folds are not called rugae, they're called plicae circulares. Now they're not as apparent, I don't think, at the end of the ileum. I think they're much more apparent up in the duodenum and the jejunum, because I looked in here and I don't really see them, and also again probably have lost some of that muscle tone. As we come down here at the end of the ileum, here we have the ileocecal valve right in here. I don't really feel a strong valve though. Here, try to see if I can open it up. It would look like been right here with that ileocecal valve going from small intestine there to large intestine in here. This little sac right here is the cecum, which is generally regarded as the beginning of the small intestine. And then going up this way, here's the ascending colon of the large intestine. You can almost, if you look at it from the inside, remember you have that longitudinal muscle is highly reduced in the large intestine, and so it kind of bunches that large intestine up in those little pocket-like haustra, and you can almost look inside there and kind of see it's kind of bunched up into the haustra on the inside. Okay, it kind of forms these little pockets in there. And then coming off the cecum down here, here's the appendix right there. Questions? Fat. Other questions? Okay, if you want